Actually, I'm just gonna switch background places for some reason. Oh, hell, man. Yeah, man. Gabe, get it. Oh, hell, Megatron, blah, 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 whatever. Oh, fired, man. Not you, YouTube viewers. You guys say, yeah. Okay, you get it. Oh, hell, Megatron. Please, don't forget. And please like and subscribe for more Dino G episodes and Clicking Brick episodes. Bye.